morning, everyone. Today, inshallah, we start Algebra Unit 1, talk about the set of rational numbers, which denoted with the big letter Q. In the years before, we studied the set of counting number, which was start with 1, 2, 3, 4, which are positive numbers. In grade 5, we studied the set of natural numbers, denoted with the letter capital N. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It's an infinite set. In grade 6, we study the set of integers, denoted with the letter Z, which consists of 0, positive numbers, negative numbers. And we learned that 0 is not positive nor negative. In this year, we study some numbers which are not found in Z, like fractions and decimals. We know fractions doesn't belong to integers, also decimals doesn't belong to integers. So we need to combine these numbers with Z. We get a new set which is called rational number, denoted with the capital letter Q. From the opposite figure, show that counting, natural, and integer, all of them are subset from Q. So, if Z subset of Q and we want to make intersection Z intersection Q equal, yes, equal the small set, equal Z. But if we make union, Z union Q equal, yes, equal Q. Because the intersection give me the small set, union give me the big set, when the small is subset from the big. This figure shows that counting number has positive numbers only, 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural has 0 and positive. Integers has 0, positive and negative. Q has all numbers, positive, negative, 0, fraction, like 5 over 7, 2 over 3, 0.3. Now, we learn how we write rational number. Any rational number right is fraction, but its denominator not equal 0. If a rational number equals 0, then its numerator is 0. For example, if we divide 0 by any number equals 0. 0 divided 3 equals 0. For example, x over 5 equals 0, then x equal what? We think about a number, when we divide it by 5, give me 0. Yes, it's 0. 0 divided anything is 0. X minus 4 over 9 equals 0. Again, we said a rational number equals 0 if its numerator equals 0. I want the equation x minus 4 equals 0. I want to solve this equation. X minus 4, make it equal 0. Think about which number, when we subtract 4 from it, give me 0. Yes, 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then x equal what? X equal 4. Another note, rational number doesn't belong to Q if its denominator is 0 because we can't divide any number divided 0. The division by 0 is no meaning. We can't divide any number by 0. So when we find 0 in denominator, 0 in below, we say this number doesn't belong to Q. The number 4 over 7 minus x doesn't belong to Q. Why? So I want to make this equation 7 minus x, which in denominator make it equal 0. We know 7 minus what equals 0? Yes, 7 minus 7 equals 0. Then this number doesn't belong to Q if x equals 7. When we make 7 instead of x, it will be 7 minus 7 equals 0. For example, again, we confirm that division by 0 is impossible. We can't make denominator equal 0. The number x minus 5 over x belongs to Q if what? Yes, if x not equal what? Okay, not equal 0 because we can't put 0 in denominator. Number 2, if 5 over a is a rational number, then a not equal. Note that a in denominator and we can't put a equal 0. We can't put a equal 0. So a not equal 0. The rational number x minus 3 over x minus 5 equals 0. We said any rational number equals 0 when? Yes, when its numerator equals 0. When x minus 3 equals 0. Think about a number. When we subtract 3 from it, give me 0. Yes, the number is 3. When we put 3 minus 3 equals 0, 0 in numerator divided anything is 0. Number 4, the number 3 over 8 minus x doesn't belong to Q. A number doesn't belong to Q if its denominator is 0. Which number makes the denominator 0? I mean 8 minus what equals 0? Yes, 8 minus 8 equals 0. Finally, I want to thank you for listening. Thank you. Goodbye.